How's everyone doing? Taking advantage of the dry weather and doing some ditch reshaping and getting stuff fixed from last year. It was so wet, we had a lot of washing going on, and took advantage of getting this hillside fixed. Just doing the one side today. I gotta wait for locates on the other side of the road here before I do this, and then they're gonna take this fence out once the crops are harvested. But as you can see, just cut a nice flat bottom ditch in here and kind of laid the grass out on the side slopes best I could. That'll all break up over winter, so not too terrible worried about that. Got a nice ditch in here so the water will spread out nice and won't wash too bad. It's been needing to be done for a lot of years. This whole mile stretch needs to be done on all the hilltops. But kind of what I do is I just strip the grass off the sides and roll that up the hill. And then I get in and I cut my flat bottom right down the middle here where my wheel track is. And then push that up towards the road. And then once I get that cut in, then I get on the other side, put my front tire on my wheel track here, and then just work it up the side slope and level that out so you don't have an edge here. And water will kind of stay in here and then run out towards the bottom. But everything's shaped up nicely. Got a little bit of, there's a lot of gravel in here. But we're going to end up re-graveling all these hilltops anyway this coming fall yet, so everything's shaping up nicely. I just took over this township and they have a 2017 140 M3, and this is the first machine I've run with a roller on the back of it. And let me tell you, that packer makes a world of difference. Now, this is bone dry, but yet it's still packing this stuff down and making it easier to cut and relay. Huge time saver. Does a real nice job. I've used it after a couple of rains and I'm very happy with it. Walk up and take and show you the machine. Had a previous operator did not take very good care of this machine. It kind of makes me sick to look at it. But it is what it is. Some people just don't take care of their equipment, unfortunately. So, like I said, 2017 140 M3. Wore the fenders down up front pretty bad. Scratched the heck out of the moldboard. I know I'm used to it down up and maybe that stuff. Tore the fenders off. Put the snow wing into the side of the panel. Not exactly sure how you get that out. This machine's got a rig around it with this handy hitch roller. It's a 12-wheel roller. Does a real nice job. Got the hydraulic side shift so I can stick it out to the left side. Really does a nice job. Really happy with it. So, kind of an update on what I'm up to. Just finishing up this township and gonna go do some mowing yet this afternoon, so just figured I'd do a little update on what I've been up to and show you this project. Anybody got any questions, put them down in the comments, and tell everybody to like and subscribe to my channel for more updates. Thanks for watching.